Hello friends, welcome to another interesting video. In this video, I am going to show you how you can use proxy IPs to get response from internet. First thing, why we need the proxy IPs when we have our own IP addresses? So answer is to hide ourselves or not to disclose our server information while requesting anything from internet. These proxy used majorly by the hackers and service provider companies. Many of companies are providing free proxy services and one of them we are going to use. So that company is I'm going to show you. This is the company which is freeproxylist.net. So from here you can have the free proxy services like here IP addresses, port, code, country, anonymity, Google HTTPS, whether it is supporting to secure a network connection or not, and last refresh. So we are going to use these one of the proxies. So let's have this on the code. Now we need to have two modules for this, and which are they? So I'm creating a text file requirements.txt and I'm naming request, and other one is image IO. Now I am going to install it by just clicking over it, install requirements. So it will automatically install both the modules and I don't have to go by the pip install and the module name. And in case you are not getting this option to install automatically, you can just type it like pip install -r and the file name requirements QUIRMENTS requirements.txt. Yes, and hit enter. It will install from the file. So it's installing the request package. Now packages are installed. Now I'm going to create a scraper. So for that, just right click on the project. I'm creating this Python package and naming it as scraper. And in this scraper, I'm going to create a Python file and naming it as image scraper. So we are going to scrap an image from network. Now I'm going to create a class. So first we need to import request module. Now naming it as class image scraper and going to create def init, and here we need some variables. So proxies first we need to give, then URL, then we need to give headers, and then you can define timeout also in case of in case if it is taking so much of time to get the response. So yes, self dot proxies equals to proxies. So I'm going to copy this only so that I don't need to type it every time. URL equals to URL, then headers equals to headers, then we need timeout equals to timeout. So by default I have given is 10 seconds. Now I'm going to create the method which going to scrap the image. So in try, I'm having the response equals to request get, then we will pass the argument or parameters. So URL will be self.url, then proxies equals to self.proxies, then headers equals to headers, sorry, not self dot headers, right? And then we will have the timeout also equals to self dot timeout, right? So yes, okay. Now we need to give the accept also. So accept. So we will have some type of exceptions here, error you can say. And so what are those? So requests dot exceptions dot proxy error, and if it comes, then we will print the error, or if we have, okay, so we will have all kind of error here. So I'm just giving the super class. So here exception like this, and after successful this try block, then we will return the response. So this is the thing. So our scrapper class is created. Now we need header information. So I'm going to create now a main script. So main. So in main we are going to import, sorry, not import, okay, so image we are going to import from PIL, and from scrapper dot image scrapper we will import image scrapper. Now we need some information to scrap the image. So first, the scrapped image we will save into some format, or we can have in the same format in which we have on the network. But if you want to change it, so I'm giving a format also, and I'll save it in, let's say, in PNG, and we need a URL. Then we need HTTP proxy. What is happening? Proxy. Then we need have HTTPS proxy, right? And image directory also, where we will save the downloaded image, right? So the downloaded image will be in image directory. Sorry, so let me just rename it. Image, right? And I'm giving it here. This. Now we are going to give an URL of image. So I have that image URL, so I'm going to copy this, and we will have the proxy details from the site which I have shown you. So these are the proxies, so we are going to one of them. So let's say I'm going to use this one, first one. So I'm pasting it here. So this is the HTTP, and port is 47390, 47390, and just copy and paste it here and make it as HTTPS. Okay, now we are going to create headers. So for headers are in the form of dictionary. So I have created that header so that we can save our time. So let me just give you that also. So here, and we need to pass the agents. So what are the agents? So agents are like agents having the information of the request from where the web server getting the request, and which type of OS we are using, or which type of web browser we are using. So to have the agents, I'm going to create a txt file for that, and I'm creating a folder config, and in this config I'm going to create a text file. So text file name will be user agent.txt, and here we will have all the agent information. So you can just copy it from network, or sorry, from Google also, so that is okay. So I have pasted all the things, so we have all the information, 10 version, 64-bit, right? So yes, so this is the thing. Now we will read all these uh, let's say agents. Yeah, now I'm going to create one more uh, class. So that class name is user agent to get these uh, agents. So I'm going to first import random module so that we can select any of the random things. So class user agent, then I'm going to create an array user agents, def init, then we will have self dot user agent, and in this we will have all the data from the file. So config and sorry, spelling mistake, config and user agent.txt, right? Yes. Then we will read the file, and then we will split the lines. Now I'm creating def get random user agent, and then we will return the random choice, sorry, random dot choice, and then we will have the self user agent. So yeah, yes. Now go to the main script, and here I need to access that also agent. So first we need to import user agent. So from scrapper dot user agent import user agent. Now user agent dot get random user agent. So our header is also created. Now I'm going to create main. In this main, so we need some proxies. So we have created above. So proxies equals to, so the proxies which we are going to pass here, so this will be as distinct object. So let me just show you that also. So if you go to the get request, and if you check proxies param, where it is, let me just search. Okay, yeah, here. So proxies, so these are dictionary types. So dictionary mapping protocol to the URL of the proxies. So the proxies which we are going to pass here, that should be as proxy object. So we are going to create a dictionary object, sorry, a proxy object we are going to pass here. And so I'm going to do that. So first we need to give the HTTP, and here I'm going to pass the proxy HTTP, then HTTPS the second key, and we will pass the HTTPS proxy. So this dictionary is also created. Now I'm going to initiate the image scraper. So we need to pass the arguments. So URL will be as URL, then proxies, uh, we need to pass proxies, sorry, equals to proxies, yes, and then headers, so headers, so right, so let me just close this, yeah. So, and I'm not going to pass the timeout here because we have the by default is 10. So if I'm not going to pass it here, then it will automatically takes 10 seconds. If I'll pass here the timeout also like for 5 or 15 seconds, then it will by default takes the value which I'm going to pass here. So yes, we have initiated. Now I'm saying it into scrapper object. So yes, and now I'm going to have the response. So scrapper will call the scrap method. Yeah. Now if we have the response dot status code equals to 200, then we'll work with the response. Now first I need to have the file name on which we are going to save the response. So file name will be in the image directory, and that name will be, we will extract from URL and we will use slicing. So we will split it. So and we will split it from last forward slash, and then sorry, we will have the last index. Now we will create the file. So open file name, and that will be write byte append. We can have, if we don't want to append, then we will have only the this wb, then dot write, and what we are going to write the response dot content. Right now, if we can't have the image object, you can say, so we need to check that also. So image equals to image dot open file name. So this line of code is to just check the image whether it is correctly created or not. So if we have the image object, then we will print the message, and that message, okay, so spelling mistake here, print image downloaded successfully. Yes. So I think we are good with the code. So let's run it and let's see what we will have, whether we are getting any error or not. So I'm going to run main, and okay, so we are having error. So return response. Okay, so I'm going to create this here, response equals to none, right? So let's run it again. Okay, so we were getting exception also, so maximum retry exceeded. So by default, that proxy having some maximum retry limit, so that is also exceeded. So let me try it again. Okay, none type of checked. Okay, so we are not getting the response. So because we are getting this exception, so let me just try with some another IP. So pasting it here, let's run it again. Okay, so what do you type error writable? Okay, here not writable, it should be right. Now let's run it again. Oh yes, so image is downloaded successfully. So let me just first show you the image which we are going to download. So pasting it here. So this is the image which we have downloaded. Let's see whether we have the exact image or not. So yes, we have the same image. So friends, just to brief you again, I'm going to just show you this requirement file I have created to install all the required packages. After that, I have created this scrapper module, and here I have created this scrapper image scrapper class in which I have used proxy URL headers and timeout also, and I have created this scrap method where we are getting the response from the given URLs. And then I have created this main script where I have given all the details which we needed to download the image. And here I have created the user agent class, and where I am selecting the random of the agents from this file user agents, and then into image or not the this one scrapper, I have created this main, and where we need the distinct object of the proxy, so I have created this distinct object, and then I have initiated the image scrapper class, and I have used this scrap method. Then if response is successful code is 200, then all other tasks to create the images will perform. And after that, if we have a successful object of an image, then it will print message image downloaded successfully. I hope you like the information and efforts. If yes, please subscribe to my channel for more videos and hit the like button. If you have any query, you can comment below. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.